Okay, game time. Let's play Where Is It? This is my favorite game.
Okay, but it is so crowded, and this game is so boring.
No, it isn't. It's interesting.
And cheap.
Here we go. What country is it? It's big. It's really interesting. Beijing is a famous city there.
That's easy. China.
Correct. Your turn.
Okay. What city is it? It's in South America. It's a beautiful city. And my favorite person is from there.
Who's your favorite person, Roberto?
Ooh, where are you from? Are you from Sao Paulo, Brasilia?
I know, you're from Rio. Yes! I'm from Rio de Janeiro. It's Rio.
You are correct.
Yay, my turn. What city is it? It's expensive and cheap. It's noisy and quiet. It's modern, but some places are old. What?
What?
Okay, it's in the US. It's crowded. People from all over the world live there. Mexicans, Koreans, Brazilians, Japanese.
I know! It's right here. It's New York City.
You're correct.
Yay, my turn.
Wait a minute. This game is so boring.
No, it's not. It's exciting. It's fun. Come on, Mike. Come on!